Hi guys, hello and welcome back to Stream Switch, the review channel. We review about anything, almost everything. So, in this video, we are going to see if you want to buy a headphone in the price range of 1000 to 1500 Indian national rupees, then this headphone, that is Sennheiser HD206, is one of them. Okay, so in this video, we are going to see about detailed review of this headphone along with how much its sound quality is, what much its base is, and how much it is very much built. So we are going to see the build quality. So all these things we are going to see. Let's dig into the video. So the Sennheiser HD206 comes with a package of a headphone with a standard 3.5 mm jack. Along with it, there is an additional connector which is 6.3 mm jack, which is a connector jack that is come as standard along with this package. So regarding Sennheiser HD206, Sennheiser HD206 is an upgraded version of Sennheiser HD201, so which launched before 8 years ago. So all the materials that were used in the 201 is carried over to 206. That means there is no latest plastic, or else there is no latest kind of plastic materials or design. So the 201 is totally carried over to Sennheiser HD206. And regarding its software is updated so that the sound quality is very much good. You can clearly listen to the lyrics if you are a lyrics lover when you are hearing a song, or else when you are playing a game. If you are very interested to listen to the music or else to the voices instead of going for the bass, then this headphone is for you. So regarding bass, its bass is up to the standards, but it is not awesome. So that's what we can say. So it is up to the standards, so it may be satisfying for you. For someone who likes so much bass than that of music or sound, then you will feel there is a lag. So this is about its sound quality and about its bass. And regarding build quality, so build quality is very much super, even though the materials that were used is somewhat lagging to up to the generation or up to the standards, but the build quality, the assembly and the fit and finish is very much good. So you can buy without wasting your time, so you can go for it. And regarding the wire, it has a very good wire length. For example, from your PC, if you are connecting to your PC, you can even walk around 2 to 3 feet beyond your normal range. So that much amount of very good wire is given in Sennheiser HD206. And so these are the things. And regarding the earbuds, okay, regarding the earpiece, the earpiece sponge is somewhat in harder side. So when you are listening to the music, you will feel some pain or something itching during your listening. For example, take 3 hours. So 3 hours or beyond, you will feel some itching or pain if your ears is so big. So if your ears are normal or small, then the total ear will get submerged within the earpiece, so that you won't feel any pain. So this is what up to this quality, okay, quality of the earpieces. And regarding since it is a overhead headphone, so the sponge above your head is okay, well and good if you have a very good amount of hair. So if you are not having hair, you will feel some rupture as like that of the earpiece. So this is what the problem with Sennheiser, since it sponges were totally in the somewhat harder side. So this is up to the sponge quality. And next, when we are going in the traffic, so when you are going in the traffic, you will hear some traffic noises even though you are putting your volume up to the max. Okay, so there is so the sponge is, since it is in harder side, it allows some external external voices or external traffic noises into the headphone. So this is also become a problem. So this is also comes under a negative. So this is all about Sennheiser HD206 review. So when we segregate into positive and negatives, the positives are it has a very good sound quality. If you are very much love the lyrics or else the voice quality or the sound, then you can go for Sennheiser HD. So then its wire. So if you want a long length wire, then go for it. So it is the longest wire in its in this price range, so you can go for it. And its base is up to standards. So it, for someone who love more sound or voices than that of bass, it becomes positive. So when we come to negative side, so every good product or every product will have a negative side. So regarding negative, so the sponges are somewhat in harder side, so that would become a problem. So when you are going to a traffic, so the traffic noises will enter into your headphone, so that will become a problem. Next, its base. So its base is not very awesome, but it is up to the standards. For someone, the base will, you don't like the base, so it will become a negative. So this is about the positive and negatives. So consolidating all these things, when we give rating for Sennheiser HT 206, then this is going to be your uh, ranking. So rating, so sound quality is 3.9 by 5, bass is 3.3 by 5, and build quality is 3.9 by 5. So the total is 3.6 by 5. So the total is that 3.6 by 5. So you can get a very good headphone in this price range, 1000 to 1500. So Sennheiser HD is one of them. So if you like sound, you will like Sennheiser HD. Okay, if you like bass, you won't like Sennheiser HD 206. So this is our verdict. So hope you like this video. So show your love in the form of likes and comments, and we will come back with you a very good video. So if you trying to buy an very good gaming headphone between the price range of 1000 to 1500, we are having a lot of steps. We had made a video in the order of 3 to 1, so go and check the video. We had given it in the links. We are giving it in the description, in the cards, as well as in the end cards. So go and check it out. So tell us about this video in the comment section below, and tell us about which website we need to review in the comment section below in the future. So hope you already subscribed to the channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our videos. So until then, it's signing off stream. Take care and be safe.